Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and very friendly about pictures and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to